Good as a motherfucker. We about to get this shit started. I got a hell of a show for y'all tonight. Give it up for the young comics that came up trying to get exposure.
Motherfucker get squared up and just taking pictures and shit. Like he gonna blow this motherfucker up. Like, yeah, I know. I work for ISIS.
I just want to get a little closer before it gets colder.
Hey, baby mom, you really tripping over 52 punk ass dollars? She said, nigga, you only gotta pay 60.
If you give me a lap dance with your motherfucking face.
Of meth. Meth really works. Look, I'm only 23.
Shit doesn't make you a man. You know what makes you gay? Fucking another man. That's it, alright?
And you see two black people coming toward you, and you say, fuck it, I'm gonna cross the street.
What happened to Ebola? Oh, that shit was supposed to kill us all, right? Nigga, Ebola killed hundreds of thousands of people in Africa. We killed that shit in 2 weeks.
What? I'm gonna date me an older man. I'm gonna find an older man, somebody that's older, somebody wanna be with me for me and love and cherish me and not just be trying to fuck me. You know what I'm saying? Somebody that really wants to be with me and enjoy me. So you think?
All of a sudden your asshole touches your Adam's apple. Nothing yet. The cat can look at you.
That drink in Hollywood on layaway right now is too hot. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker wanted $35 and they wanted a credit check. I can't even drink the motherfucker. You know what I mean? So look, this is what we got going on in your neighborhood, in the motherfucking hood. Mad Mark's County Lounge on a late Friday night.